The Amaretto Sour is a classic cocktail that beautifully balances the sweet, nutty flavor of amaretto with the tartness of fresh lemon juice. It's an easy-to-make, delightful drink often enjoyed as a pre-dinner aperitif or an elegant party cocktail. You will need the following ingredients: 1½ ounces amaretto. You can use brands like Di Serrano for an authentic taste. 1 ounce fresh lemon juice. Always use freshly squeezed lemon juice for the best flavor. ½ ounce simple syrup. Adjust to taste if you prefer a sweeter or tartar drink. 1 egg white. Optional, for a silky texture and frothy top. Garnish with maraschino cherry and an orange slice. Adds a classic and colorful touch. For equipment you will need shaker, strainer, rocks glass, jigger, bar spoon. Here are the instructions. Add amaretto, fresh lemon juice, simple syrup, and the optional egg white to a shaker without ice. Dry shake, shake without ice, to emulsify the egg white until frothy and combined. Add ice to the shaker and shake vigorously until well chilled. Strain the mixture into a rocks glass filled with ice. Garnish with a maraschino cherry and an orange slice. The Amaretto Sour is believed to have originated in Italy, and amaretto translates to little bitter in Italian, reflecting the slightly bitter almond flavor of the liqueur.